Working with my hands and building things and having knowledge around tools and fabrication was always something that I had been interested in and never felt I could do or that was open to me. My name is Chelsea Gabrielle. I did not have a welding job prior to going to school. I came into the classroom knowing very few things about how tools work, how metal works, and the processes for creating things. Classes were flexible. I could take evening classes and work during the day. I currently work as a welding lead supervisor at a company called Fabrication. We make bike infrastructure. My name is Chelsea Gabrielle, and I am in the welding technology 2-year program.